Hello and welcome. Meet the Claiks L-shaped standing desk, an adjustable height workstation designed for comfort and productivity. This desk features dual motors that smoothly adjust height from 28.5 to 47.2 inches, letting you switch between sitting and standing effortlessly. Its large 63 by 55-inch tabletop offers ample space and can be oriented left or right to fit your room perfectly. Built with a durable tabletop and sturdy steel frame, this desk supports up to 220 pounds and stays stable during use. It's an ideal home office solution that promotes a healthier work environment and boosts your energy. Plus, it comes with a 2-year full desk warranty and 3-year coverage on motors and legs, along with lifetime customer support. Transform your workspace and enjoy better posture with this ergonomic corner standing desk today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.